Hey there, so Base44 just released Superagents to the public, and in this video I want to show you what they are and what you can do with them. So they claim the agent that does it all for you. And the best part is you don't need to set up anything. So you probably have heard of OpenClaw, but there you need to buy a server or you need to buy a computer and then you need to set up everything technically. But Base44's Superagents, they run just on Chrome in the browser and you can just start using them. But before we do so, really important, you will find the link to it down in the video description. And when you sign up via the link, you can sign up for free. And at the same time, you're helping me and my channel so I can make some more of these videos for you in the future. So thank you a lot if you click on it, and it will bring you to this page here. And here we can just scroll down a little bit and read what they can do for us. So for example, they can answer emails for us. We can just connect Gmail and then they can automatically write up a draft to the emails we just received, and then we can just click send and we don't need to do anything. So that's pretty cool. But of course, you can also manage your personal life for your travels or organize, for example, a restaurant table somewhere on Friday night. And you can also have like a business report summarized by the AI, and it will be sent to you every Friday evening, and you can just go through the sales data. And these are just some examples. I will show you a couple of more in this video. And honestly, stay tuned. These super agents are pretty amazing. I set up a couple of them already and they start working for me, and they pretty much save me an entire day working. And I will show you how you can achieve the same for you in this tutorial. And down here, you can also see some tools you can connect to the super agents, but we will get to it in a minute. So let's sign up. Therefore, just click on the link down in the video description and then you can sign up for free. Just click on start building and it will bring you to the dashboard of Base44. And Base44 started as a no-code app builder, meaning you can just describe an app which you want to build and the tool will build the app for you. And it's pretty amazing. I have a couple of tutorials here on my channel as well, but now they just launched Superagent last week, and it's pretty much like an agentic agent, but a little bit different from what you've seen already in OpenClaw or Claude CoWork. And I made a quick slide for you to understand where it's coming from. So back in 2025, we were all really happy with a normal AI, so to say. It's called ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude. And you basically just send something to it, a prompt, and it just answers the question for you. But then there was N8N, which is like a tool for automations. So you can connect different tools, for example, your email account with Slack or Google Analytics with your dashboard or something. But it was a little bit technical, so probably many of you haven't even tried it, even myself. I just signed up and used it for like an hour, but then I just skipped it. And in 2026, there was this huge hype about OpenClaw and Claude CoWork. These are agentic AIs which take over full control over your computer or your browser. So they can act like a human on your computer and you can just tell them what to do and they will try to complete the task for you. But honestly, I signed up for both and I find it a little risky. And I've seen many YouTubers just setting OpenClaw on like an extra computer, not on their personal computer, because it feels kind of spooky and risky when someone has full control and moves the cursor on your interface, right? And there's where super agents from Base44 come in. So it's basically a hybrid between AI agents and automation systems. So you connect your tools, for example, Gmail and Calendar, with super agents, and then they do predefined tasks. Usually they're really cautious, so you feel safe connecting them to your tools. And yeah, this is just for your understanding. So super agents are somewhere between automation tools and agentic AI. But here, this is just the timeline, how they came out. I hope this helps you because it was very confusing for me at the beginning because it's another tool. And it was like, is it like Claude CoWork? Is it like OpenClaw? But no, it's like a super agent and it's basically a mixture, a hybrid of these two. And so now let's get started and see what we can do. I have two agents already. This is Jeff and Sarah. And Jeff is my content agent. And I basically told him on my YouTube channel here, this is my German channel, I said, okay, I'm posting videos every Sunday. So please on Monday, check if there's a new video. If yes, just download the transcript, read through it, and then make me a LinkedIn post. And he did that 40 minutes ago. He posted this LinkedIn post for me. Of course, it's in German, but never mind. You get the idea. He just wrote here, this is the tutorial. He even included my partner link, put in some hashtags, and published it to LinkedIn, which is pretty cool because now I don't need to do it. And I really love that because now every Monday he does it for me and I don't need to do it. And he did the same with blog posts. So normally for every video, I write a blog post. Of course, I used ChatGPT for that. But now I can just tell Jeff to get the video, write up the blog post, and he did that. He included the links, and it's a full-blown blog post, and even he included an FAQ for me. And now I don't need to worry about this anymore. He does it for me, and that's why I already loving Jeff and my new super agent. And I think it's pretty amazing. And Sarah, I actually used her for another tutorial. So without further ado, let's dive in and let's see what we can do with an agent. So you can just create yourself a new agent. And the agent is saying, hello, hey, I'm your new super agent, ready to help you pretty much. What would you like to call me? And let's say, hey, I would like to call you Jack. So now I have another person in my team and I can just tell him how he should call himself, which is kind of awkward. But yeah, let's go ahead. And now Jack is getting an identity, which is pretty cool. So under brain here and knowledge, you can see that he already named himself Jack and he gave himself a personality. So he gave himself even a soul. So you're not a chatbot, you are an assistant. Are you becoming someone's person, the friend who happens to know everything and can actually do stuff for you? So I think it's spooky, but let's go ahead and see what we can do now. So now Jack is asking about ourselves. So building stuff for you, okay, who you are and what are you working on these days. So hey, I'm Julian, I'm a YouTuber and I do tutorial videos about software and I usually post them on Sundays. And yeah, I'm 38 years old and I think that's enough for now. And then I can just send it to Jack. And of course, I don't want to bore you with the details. I just want to show you now that he's saving this knowledge in his memory. So this is pretty cool. Now he knows something about the user. And here you can see now he knows my name, he knows where I'm based, and he knows my age and what I'm doing for a profession. So this is pretty cool because now he can help me get my work done. And up to here, it's basically like ChatGPT. You can just talk to him and he can answer you something. But the real power comes in that we now can connect our tools. So under the integration tab here, you can connect all your tools you're usually working with. For example, Notion, Slack, your Gmail account, your Google Drive, your calendar, and of course your LinkedIn profile, even your TikTok. And as I did, I posted my blog post to my blog engine, which is Wix. And you can also connect this, but you can also connect even more. So this usually works via API keys. So API stands for Application Programming Interface. And this is the technology, so to say, to connect different tools. So connect your LinkedIn with your Gmail account, for example. So every major software has like an API access code. So you can either read the data or you can even push data to the tool and it can, for example, send emails for you. So I think pretty much everyone has a Gmail account. So let's connect this one first. Then you can just hit on connect Gmail and then you just select your account, click continue. And another time, click continue. And usually I already connected this. Normally you can then give access. So you can either select if it just have reading access or even writing access. So it can write emails for you. And you can also just connect your Google Calendar so it can organize meetings for you. But I think I'm okay now with the Gmail account. And then let's go back to the chat. And now I want to tell Jack, hey Jack, as an example, please get my latest email and write up a draft for me. So in the end, I just need to click send. And now I can just send it to Jack and he's starting working on it. And in the meanwhile, just to let you know, with Base44, this usually works with credits. So every time you talk to the AI, 1 credit is deducted. And every time the AI is doing something for you, an integration credit is deducted. And when you sign up via my link, you get 25 credits per month to talk to the AI. And I think 100 integration credits. So usually you get more integration credits because the AI is working more for you than you actually talking to the AI. Just to let you know, and when you run out of credits, you can of course always upgrade to a paid plan and then you see your credit limits here. And now Jack pulled my latest email and he wrote up a draft for me. So let's go back to Gmail and check out the draft. So here under drafts, I can see that he already wrote me up a draft, and which is quite useful for me because this is a marketing manager from a partner and I don't want to work with them. So I usually get like 2 or 3 messages a day from any software tools and they want me to make videos about it. So now I don't have to reply to them anymore because Jack already did it. And yeah, sorry it's in German here, but those partners just sent me a German email. Jack detected the language and then wrote up the draft for me. And now I would just need to go ahead and click send. So this is pretty cool. Jack can do pretty much my emails now because I don't want to do it anymore. And I think this gives you a basic idea what the Superagent is capable of. So just as a quick summary, under Brain, you have your integrations. And here you can just connect the tools you're usually working with. For example, Salesforce, Notion, Calendar, Gmail account, and whatnot. And then Jack has access to these tools and you can have different rules. For example, just reading or writing access. And then Jack can start working for you. And he saves your information under knowledge about you, about himself. And he also has a memory, which is pretty cool. So the more you work with the agent, the more he learns about how you behave, how you answer emails. And then he gets better and better at his task, which is quite amazing, to be honest. I always feel like we're living in the future here, but it's already there. And now this was like a one-time job for Jack, but how about he does that every morning for us? So I can just go ahead, hey Jack, so please every morning at 7 a.m. go through my inbox, and if there is an important message, just write up a draft for me. So I just need to hit send. And now I can just send it to Jack. And what he does now, he creates a task for himself. And he's already done. So every morning he will scan my inbox and filter out the noise. And for anything important, he will write up a draft. And you can see your tasks down here. So under this tab, you see morning inbox review. And if you're on vacation or you just want to stop it, you can just click this toggle and then Jack won't run this task. But if you want to keep it running, then you can just enable it again. And here you can see how many times it ran and you can see how many times it succeeded and failed. Of course, sometimes things go wrong and you can always check them here. But usually, like an easy task writing up your email, this usually works. And you can just get rid of it, of course, if you don't want to write this anymore. And now we already automated our email inbox. And of course, you need to send them and check them really quick, but you don't have to read through them anymore and go over to ChatGPT to write up your email because now Jack is doing everything. And if it works, you can just click send. And if you just want to edit something, you can do it in Gmail really quickly. Or, which is even better, you can also have Jack communicate with you via WhatsApp. So you can connect your WhatsApp. If you go back to the chat, you can just set up WhatsApp or Telegram. Therefore, just click on open WhatsApp in the browser. So I just open up here. And down here, you now see this is a message to connect and start chatting. Activation code. I changed this so you don't need to copy this. But now I would just go ahead and send it over to Jack. And then I could talk to Jack via WhatsApp, which is pretty cool because then in the morning when I have my coffee, I can go through WhatsApp and see if Jack has some updates for me. And I already did that with my other Base44 agent. And he created this LinkedIn post for me, the one I showed you earlier. And then I just need to hit answer and then he directly sends the LinkedIn post to LinkedIn and I'm done with this task as well. So I don't know about you, but I think this is crazy. Like really get creative what you can do here. Connect all your tools where you feel comfortable with under the connectors here. Start chatting with Jack. He gets his own knowledge. You can see your tasks here and even files. So he creates himself some files for his automations and then you can go in and read the code and you can just connect WhatsApp here and start chatting with them on WhatsApp. And now at this point, of course, you would need to get creative what Jack can do for your work. But you can always see here what you can do with Jack, or you can just ask Jack and say, hey, I don't know, I'm an engineer or I'm a team manager. Just give me some ideas what we can automate together from my weekly tasks so I get a little bit more free time. And if you want to try it out, as said at the beginning, you will find the link to Base44 down here in the video description. Just click on it, the first one. And in return, if you have any questions about Base44 or the Superagent, just comment down below. I'm happy to help. And if you like the video, also make sure you give it a thumbs up. And when you click on it, you will land here. And here you can just read through the entire thing, what it can do for you, what tools you can connect. And at some point, you just need to get started, I guess. And then you can just click start building. I'm definitely using it from now on because it saves me so much time. And I really like the development. And yeah, hope you too. See you in the next video. Bye.